Hello guys, today I am going to talking about why does electric supply enter with high voltage in home. So let us go for experiment. Let us assume that we have two houses with different wattage of bulbs as load. First house has 100-watt bulb and for second 200. Generally, neutral of both bulb या houses will be connect with same neutral point of supply. So we connect the neutral of both bulb with single neutral wire for connecting from supply source. First we connect the first 100-watt bulb with our supply. Now we connect the second 200-watt bulb with Y phase of the supply. Here phase to neutral voltage is 230 volt and phase to phase voltage is 400 volt. 100-watt bulb has high internal resistance, so approx 320 voltage will be at 100-watt bulb with high brightness and high voltage drop, and 200-watt bulb has low internal resistance, so approx 70 to 100 voltage will be at 200-watt bulb with low brightness and low voltage drop. Generally, all appliances are designed for 230 voltage, so both bulbs are designed for 230 volt. Now see here that 100-watt bulb is giving high brightness and 200-watt bulb giving low brightness after disconnecting of neutral wire from supply. Due to high voltage across 100-watt bulb, it will be fused after some time, some minute some second. After disconnection of neutral wire, both bulbs are connected in series with two phases. Now 100-watt bulb has damaged or fused due to high voltage in absence of neutral wire. So we finally saw that low wattage of bulb damage in absence of neutral. That means all low wattage of appliances would be damaged in absence of neutral.